Marcuise and Marak ubede umenturi rangba bapet yakatanat public health engineering mentaka singi kakhatlai trek ucheleu ulaplie ya umaubu nongrim na kabenta bansam umbam umdi halum shngan kabahap hapo gajingpet kadobar shnongrenja shalong ya Marcuise and Marak ubalongkum ukongsan la rensan lang do MLA kathaj uba Charles Spingrove kumusimbur kongsan ha gajingdan lang MLA but MDC barim kamaurin keneng uba Binyat Singh CM uba Jiminu Mautho u MLA barim kanong tamai Nalor kini ki kinram ki lindan ladan langru ki he officer nakatanat PHE ki nongkit kamshnong ki senglong kami ki sport club bat kumchu ru ki seng samlashnong Nakalyang jong kashnong kila pentip bakadong lum shngan kadai kawai kadong kabalas dang ban kerdu umbha kumta nakalyang jong kashnong lambat ka sengkin thai man kapor ki chulet pen sngo yakane ka kam show MLA bat menta ka sngi kalawan ban urlong Kajinglut jingsep na kabenta kaneka augmentation of water supply scheme hadong lum shngan renja kalong hado hanriu pan nyopo arklur tingka
and Marak to open up for the foundation stones.
Pleasure and gratitude that I stand before you today on the auspicious occasion of the foundation stone laying ceremony for the drinking water supply project at Rinja. This project marks as an important milestone in our community journey towards improved public health, better living standards and sustainable development. Lesi ha ka bang akwa bangan penpau ni namar bangan numla bangan ya ka public health engineering department hapo ka jingelam jong ba RS Nongbri kum chief engineer kum bila pensngu ha ka jingkren ka jong i kubele sibun ba ha ka ba ya ka ai ka bangilawan ban pensngu bat bangin ut ya ka jingdon kam ka bakum ka snong ka don kam ki officials ki jong pi hapo ka jingpet ki jong ba sangma ka jingpet jong ba sun bat kumta ter kilawan bat kila deble ru ya ka field inspection bat haba kila yo I ba kalong ka babyang na ka benta bangin yo ya ka ni ka scheme hapo ka snong
have admit I was a little nervous at times mar kilai wan bungut ding la tang tieng ke Henry today their efforts with the directions of the Shnong has concluded in this beautiful morning where the Honorable Minister, Marcuise, will unveil the inauguration slab. I have always wanted that every Shnong, wherever it is, all over the state, should have potable drinking water, which is the basic necessity of every human being. And I'm glad that under the guidance and dedication of our Honorable Minister, Marcuise, a lot of schemes have been provided all over. In fact, in the year 2023, Marcuise had even come to Nongra to inaugurate the JJM scheme and personally interceded to ensure that this water supply would be provided there. It has now, Honorable Minister, let me remind you that that scheme is now functional and the people of Nongra are getting adequate water supply. I've been informed by the Chief Engineer too, that there are schemes which have been sanctioned for Lumio Blood, that is in my constituency, and also in Region Rio, Laujin Rio, that also will be sanctioned soon. So Nauntuma is getting a lot of schemes. I must thank the Honorable Minister for taking special care of this constituency. And of course, our Rangba Shnong, who keeps on badgering me about all the different schemes that he requires for the Rinja. And I want to declare here also that in addition to the 5 lakhs which we had given under the SRWP scheme for the construction of this hall, I have earmarked another 5 lakhs for Rinja, not because there was enough funds, but because I couldn't refuse the Rinja Shnong for constructing this building which will house the community hall and the office of the Dorba Shnong. But ngam la khem de pen pawi ko ju sumongo yaki office ko jonga hapo ko jingelam ju ba Alan Lingdo belong.
It's a pleasure to be part of this function. When I was informed that the project, the Rangba Shnongs wants to have a small program here in Lumsngai, I was very happy. In fact, it was fixed for 6th of this month. But as has been mentioned by our Honorable Local MLA, I was not well at that point of time. So considering my health, it was shifted to this today. So I would want to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to the Rangba Shnongs and all the executive members of Lumsngai community here. Dear friends, this project is costing around 6 crores. 6.71 crores. And it has been sanctioned very recently. And for this project, as has been mentioned by Rangba Shnong, ED Viwar, Charles, local MLA, and also the former MLA Pinat Singh CM were following up with the concerned department and also with my office. So I would want to congratulate local MLA Pinat Singh CM and all the Rangba Shnongs of this Lumsngai community. Dear friends, water is a life. The government of India has also launched, along with the state governments, called Jal Jeevan Mission, to give potable water to all the citizens of the country in the year 2019. That means the government's commitment to give potable water to each and every citizen of this country, along with the state governments. So here in our state also, apart from some urban water supply schemes, the way we are doing today, the government of Meghalaya, in support of government of India, has launched JJM in the year 2019. Way back in 2019, if we recall, the coverage of household tap connections in entire state is only 4,550 households in the rural areas. 4,550 household connections in the rural areas. I'm not talking about the urban areas. And in terms of percentage, it was 0.70%. Where we stand today? Today we have already covered 5,46,000 plus households. In terms of percentage, 84%. That means the seriousness of the government of Meghalaya, under the able leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, and also here, PHE department, all our officers are doing very well, sincerely and dedicatedly working day and night to provide potable water to our people. So friends, it's a great moment. Today, we are going to unveil the water supply scheme for Lumsngai locality here in Rinja. This was possible only because of positive support and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma.